Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi. Here we have this really smart Audi Q5 Sportback in sport specification, with the powerful 45 TFSI 265 PS engine, famous quattro 4-wheel drive system, and slick automatic S-tronic gearbox. And this Q5 comes finished in an optional metallic Manhattan grey paint finish. And this approved used Q5 is a 72 plate, which has done just over 6,066 miles, with just one previous owner. And one of the key features of this Q5 is the optional folding tow bar, perfect for towing caravans for example. Some of the key exterior features of this Q5 include the striking LED headlights, alongside the stylish and optional 19-inch 5-arm rotor design alloy wheels. And finally, we have the power operated tailgate, which is easy to use with just a press of a button on your keys. And as you can see, this Q5 boasts a really large and spacious boot with 510 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your everyday needs such as your weekly shopping or perhaps even golf clubs for example. And here we have the rear interior of the car with the rear seats finished in the stylish black twin leather, and these seats are also really comfortable and supportive and feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points and a foldable rear armrest, whilst the rear zone of the 3-zone climate control is another key feature too. And here we have the front interior, which is equally as impressive, with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel finished in black leather, alongside the aluminium rhombus inlays which help to refine the look of this interior. And here we have the front sport seats finished in the same stylish black twin leather as the rear, and these seats feature 4-way lumbar support. And one of the key features of this Q5's interior is the Audi virtual cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation or the onboard computer. There's also the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, such as the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, the external media connectivity as well as telephone connectivity, and there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and there's the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. There's also the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, so you can change the ambient lighting to the colour and brightness of your preference, and with just a press of a button, the optional 360-degree parking cameras come up on demand. This interior also boasts easy to use 3-zone climate control and heated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's USB ports, the slick S-tronic gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there's plenty of storage too, whilst the optional Bang and Olufsen 3D sound system provides a refined listening experience. This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.